I am live in the AGT booth here with my colleague Louis,
Yes.
AGT owner and responsible of technological product development.
Sure.
Louis, how are you today?
I'm good. Yourself?
Great. Good, thank you. So it's really nice to be here with you. Can you talk to us a little bit about what AGT is doing here at FABTECH this week?
Well, it's our, 10th present at the FABTECH in Chicago, always a great event. This year we have a huge BLOK 500 behind us, perfect to handle high mix production. We see tons of robots on the show floor, but not many of them, almost none of them are actually tackling high mix production. What is high mix production? Is that your question?
Yeah, well, first of all, yes, what is high mix production and how does the BLOK tackle that? What makes it so specific?
Yeah, so it's highly driven by software we call Cortex. So basically, you just start from the CAD, you have the geometry, you have the welding information, and from there, you crunch that in the software, you click one or two clicks, and by magic, the program is just ready to be used on the factory floor. All the operator has to do is put the pre-tacked parts in the machine, hit start, and the robot will go for hours.
So from what I'm hearing is that it's pretty easy to use. Anybody who'd be like, I'm not too sure about like programming or any challenges or difficulties with that.
Not only easy to use because there's other people claiming it's zero programming, but it's actually visual and programming in 3D. For us, it is automated programming, meaning that you don't even click, you don't tell the system what to do, what weld to use, where to weld, what to weld, and how to weld. It's all handled on this.
A machine like the BLOK, what does it do exactly? Like what type of parts? Or
robotic welding is a wide domain. At AGT, we decided to specialize in structural steel, which means beams, columns, but also trusses, skids, some bridge work also, cross frames, and so on. And for some other industries, parts that look like this, like, well, now we don't see it that much, but like fillet welds, lap welds, just multi-pass, mild steel, so everything that is pretty standard and typically boring for manual welders.
Absolutely.
So you can keep your manual welders doing really the fun stuff and super complex stuff and leave the bread and butter to the machine.
And for anyone who's wondering, like, first of all, who is AGT Robotics? How long have we been in the industry? Like, how long have we been doing this?
Yeah, so we've been doing this since 1992. At first, we were a small shop doing automation in general, and then we specialized to robotic for welding only. So we've been doing that pretty much for the last 20 years. We've been specialized in robotic welding.
It's safe to say that we know our stuff.
Oh yeah, we
know what we're doing.
Yeah, and we have a great team. We're probably the only one who have great software development team, welding experts, mechanical engineering, project management, and so on. So we can really provide a complete solution to specific application in the industry.
Definitely. So for anybody who's in the Chicago area who is planning to come to FABTECH, you can drop by our booth. We're at B17022. So if you have any questions about welding and automation and any solutions for your products, stop by and we'll be happy to greet you and meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.